Welcome to Middlebourne, a vibrant and growing community nestled in the heart of beautiful St. John's, Florida. As one of St. John's newest communities, Middlebourne offers a diverse range of housing options to suit any lifestyle. Middlebourne residents can take a break from the Florida heat by splashing around in the community pool with friends and neighbors. Middlebourne's prime location offers easy access to shopping, dining, and medical centers, making it the perfect place to build your dream home. Options for weekend activities are endless, with pristine beaches and historic St. Augustine just a short drive away. Our model homes are open daily, and our friendly ICI home sales agents are on site to assist you. Visit Middlebourne today and discover why it's the perfect place to call home.